Now you will cut this part. I'll just put a cross, so you'll understand you have to cut this part. We'll draw some designs on these kite shape or diamond shapes which I have formed. I'll use my sketch pen or my marker to draw designs directly. See that you draw similar designs in these diamond shapes or kite shapes. So we just finished drawing simple designs on this flextangle template that we have created. Now we'll start folding this. We will use a scale to fold this. First we'll fold in the length, the straight line that we drew. See that you fold very nicely corner to corner and crisp folds. Use a scale to fold so that you get a very straight line. So we have finished folding on all the lines. Now we'll fold on all the diagonal lines that we have drawn. Again we'll use a scale, but this time we will not fold it like this, we'll fold it backwards. But to fold it backwards, first we'll just create a fold and then use this crease to fold on the diagonal line backwards. Similarly, we'll fold on these diagonal lines also. Now you see in this corner you got a small triangle. We'll just cut it off. So this is the way we have folded our paper. Now you can see that this part is blank and this part is outside. So we'll apply some glue in this small triangular part. And we'll just fold it inwards. See that you glue this from edge to edge nicely. So get this hollow pipe like a thing which has all different angles. Now slowly you'll fold this. And we'll apply glue on the outer edge and we'll push this inside. We pushed both the flaps inside the triangle which is formed. Push it neatly from the edges and press it so that it sticks properly. Our flextangle is now ready. Now you can just move this and you'll see that you have these designs coming. There.